Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can use the built-in flashlight widget in the edge panel on the Samsung Galaxy S22 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen, and then swipe down at the top and tap on the settings button. In settings, swipe up to go down and tap on displayed. Next, you want to go down and tap on edge panels. In here, make sure that you turn on the edge panels, then go down and tap on panels. In the panels list here, you want to swipe across and look for the tools panel. So make sure that you have selected tools. Once it is selected, it will be added to the edge panel in here. Now you want to tap on the home key to go back to the home screen. And whenever you want to use the flashlight, you just need to pull out your edge panels and then tap on the option key at the top. From the pop-up menu, select flashlight. Now you can use the flashlight by tapping on the flashlight icon to turn it on or off. Once it is turned on, you can also increase the brightness. So you can increase the brightness, or you can decrease the brightness by tapping on the minus button. Another thing that you can do with the flashlight widget is to press on the SOS button, and this will allow the flashlight to flash on and off in SOS fashion so that people knows that you need help. And that's it. So having the flashlight widget can easily help you quickly turn it on and off without having to swipe down the top here. Normally you can also swipe down the notification panel, and in this quick settings you can also turn on the flashlight in here. But alternatively, you can also use the widget on the side here on the edge panel to turn it on or off. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.